Hi, it's Regina, the Queen of Car Loans here, and I have something powerful coming your way. On Saturday, December 13th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., I am hosting the Keys to Confidence Car Buying Seminar at 374 Telegraph in Pontiac. This is not your average car talk session. This is where real financial power begins. We're talking about how to buy smart, how to build and repair your credit, and now we're adding something new, how to strengthen your business credit so you can finally qualify for grants, funding, and real capital. You'll meet some of the best experts in the game, from credit union and banks to insurance pros, credit repair specialists, and business finance experts, all ready to pour into you. And our vendors, they're coming bearing gifts. That means giveaways, prizes, and resources designed to help you walk away with more than knowledge. You leave with real tools for success. And here's the best part. At the event, I am introducing something I've been building for years. The Queen of Car Loans University, a 6-month, step-by-step program designed to take you from credit stress to credit success. If you ever dreamed of driving what you deserve, owning your business, or just reclaiming your financial peace, this is your moment. So mark your calendar, December 13th, 374 Telegraph, 11 to 1. Come ready to learn, connect, and level up. Because there are a lot of queens on the air, but I'm the only queen that stands tall on financial literacy in our community. See you there. Let's turn those keys and unlock access to financial confidence and freedom.
Register now at keys.regina, thequeenofcarloans.com. Seating is extremely limited.